Assalamu alaikum students, and I wish you all are well. Today we are going to study science chapter 7.4, which is striking light. It's in your book, page number 109. Light is so important for living things. It makes us unable to see things around. It is studied in a branch of physics known as optics. Light always travels in a straight line. Opaque materials do not let this light pass through. As a result, a shadow is formed. But this light can easily pass through the transparent material. As a result, no shadow is formed. On the contrary of these materials, there are translucent materials that let some of the light pass through them. Remember, the light that bounces back from the object makes us unable to see them. Okay, students, first of all, for living things, light is so important because light plays an important part in the living things life, because it makes us light makes us able to see things around. Okay, and where do we study about this? We study about light and sources in the branch of physics of the science, and which is known as optics. We used to study in optics, and we should keep this thing in mind that whenever light travels, so light always travels in a straight line. And students, there are three kind of materials. Okay, one can be transparent, the other can be translucent, and the third one is opaque objects. Okay, there are three kind of objects or materials. For example, what is an opaque object? First, beta, opaque objects are those materials, are those objects which do not let the light pass through them. For example, wood, door. Okay, these all are the examples of opaque objects, because if we have a light on them, so it cannot pass light through them. Another one is, so what happens that if light cannot pass through them, but as a result a shadow is formed. But transparent materials are those materials which let the light pass through them easily. Okay, which let the light pass through them easily. For example, plastic, for example, glass, okay, mirror. So these are the transparent materials which let the light pass through them easily. And the third one is translucent materials. Translucent materials are those materials which let some, it means in a less quantity of light to pass through them. Now moving to page number 110. Light is very useful for us. It not only gives us vision but also provides us with energy. Signals or indications are another useful trait of light. Light may come from the artificial source of light, such as torch, or natural source of light, such as sun. Natural source of light. Okay, students, as I told you that life is beneficial for us, life is beneficial for the living things. So it is not only, it not only gives us vision, okay, just to see. It not only gives us just to see, but it also provides us with energy. Okay, how? Because signals or indications are another useful trait of light. Okay, and light may come from, light can be either artificial source of light, it can be, or it can be natural light as well. How, beta? If sun is a source of, is a natural source of light, but if we are having torch, okay, bulbs, so they are the uh, source of light of artificial, because they are man-made, and natural source of light are which Allah has created. Okay, natural sources of light are those objects which naturally produce their own light. Their examples include all the stars along with the sun, fire, fireworks, lightning, etc. Okay, as I told you that natural sources of light are those objects which are naturally produced, okay, on their own light. And their examples can be stars, sun, fire, fireworks, lightning. They all are the natural sources of light. But what about artificial sources of light? Artificial sources of light are those things which do not produce their own light, okay, which are man-made. As I told you that artificial sources of light are those lights which are not natural, which do not produce their own light, but they are man-made light sources. For example, energy savers, tube lights, moon, mirrors, etc. They all are artificial sources of light. We can get light from them, but they actually do not produce their own light. The light from any sources falls on different objects. These objects bounces back some of that light. This reflected light enters our eyes and enables us to see that object. Okay, students, what happens that whenever the light from any source, either it can be from natural source or artificial source, so it can fall on different object. Okay, it can fall on different object, and these object, the object in which light falls, so what happens that these object bounces back some of that light. This reflected light that enters our eyes and enables us to see that object. For example, if sun is providing sunlight in this direction, so what will happen, it will bounce back the light into our eyes, in to us or to anything, right?